Sing Sang Thai, Thai Lai Ho. I'm Melvin from Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I am 36 years old and I graduated BS Agriculture Extension Education and I am professional teacher here in the Philippines. My hobbies are drawing, gardening, painting, and also singing. And I'm a pet lover. I have one dog here at my house. My expertise are taking care of child, also elderly. I work as houseboy or housemaid in Philippines for 2 years, from September 2022 to present. I serve one couple and one child, aged 12 years of age. My duties are taking care of child, cooking, cleaning house, uh, doing laundry, ironing also. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save money for my parents. I'm willing to uh, taking care of elderly and child. To my future employer, ma'am sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking, honest, and fast learner. I promise to be a good housemaid. Thank you, ma'am sir, and I'm looking forward to work with us as soon as possible.